beautiful people. Zontes have just released a new update to the Zontes GK350. It's a new bracket. It's only small, but it's going to be on the bikes hopefully when they come to Europe. It's designed to stop when the actual the you brake and the forks dive. It's to stop the cable from moving and pinching and etc. on the clutch. As you dive down, the forks dive down when you brake, and it's actually the cable is hooked into the hook, so it doesn't actually snag as a movement as it goes down. So it's just there as a help. But this video has just been released to show that this is what they're doing, and it will be on the bikes when they come to the UK. If you've already purchased a bike from Zontes, then I would suggest that you would get in touch with Zontes dealer that you're local with to get this new bracket, so you can fit it yourself quite easy, as the video shows. It was released yesterday, the video, so it's in Chinese subtitles. But as you can see there, you just placed it into the place where it's supposed to go. So now as you dive, etc., it's not going to go forward. As you brake hard, it's not going to go forward and go towards the screen. It's actually located, and it's got the two pinches on either side as well, as you can see. So that's it. Brilliant. Well, please, if you like this video, please subscribe and join our journey. Thank you very much. Goodbye now.